Hello friend, welcome to Simple Maths. Today we are going to study about pair of linear equation in two variable with some examples. We know that linear equations when they are in pairs, so they have a solution. Means what? Two lines are intersecting, then they have a unique solutions. So how you can find the solutions? Finding the solution, they have three methods. First is substitution method, elimination method and graphical method. Today we are going to study about graphical methods. Let's take an example that from a pair of linear equation find the solution graphically. And the example is 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find a number of boys and girls who took part in a quiz. So we have given a situation that in a school, in a class, there are 10 students take a part in a mathematics quiz and number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So first we make the equation using this situation, using this information. What we have given that? We have given that there are 10 students in a class and now second condition is what? Number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So using this information we make a equations, algebraic equations. So let me find the number of boys and number of girls. These are the unknown quantities. We take a variable that number of girls is x and number of boys is y. We just having the two unknown variables are here. The first condition is that total students are 10. Means what? Number of boys plus number of girls equals to 10. That is number of boys we have variable is y and number of girls that is x. So that is the condition is x plus y equals to 10. Now x plus y equals to 10. This is an equation number 1. Also using this information we just put up the values that y is equals to 10 minus x, because x plus y we shift x on that side, right side, so the answer is y is equals to 10 minus x. Put up the values, put x equals to 0, then what? Y is equals to 10 minus 0, because the value of x equals to 0, the answer is 10. Next we will take a value of x equals to 2, then the y equals to what? 10 minus 2, that is equals to 8. Let me take the value of x equals to 4, then the value of y is equals to what? 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. We take randomly 3 values 0, 2, 4. You will take another value that is 1, 2, 3 or up to 10, 15, infinity. You have too many of numbers are there, but the graph is we have the small quantity, so take the small values are there. So this is an 3 values of using the equation number 1. We just make on the chart. What is the chart? The value of x and the value of y. But the second condition is what? Say that the second condition is number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. That number of girls is equals to number of boys plus 4, because 4 more than number of boys. We just take a situation in mathematical form. Number of girls is equals to what? X and number of boys is equals to what? Y plus 4. Using this condition we make a equation number 2, that is x minus y equals to 4. Equation number 2. From first we have values. What are the values? X equals to 0, 2, 4, y is equals to 10, 8, 6. Then the points are 0, 10, 2, 8, 4, 6. Same this chart we make on the equation number 2 also. Put up the values in equation number 2. What is equation number 2? X minus y is equals to 4. That equals to what? Y is equals to x minus 4. Then put up the values or x equals to 0. Then y is equals to what? 0 minus 4. Then that is what? Minus 4. Next x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2, then 2 minus 4. that equals to what? Minus 2. And now third is what? X is equals to 4. Then y is equals to what? 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Again here are the points are x equals to 0, y is equals to minus 4, x equals to 2, y equals to minus 2, x equals to 4, y equals to 0. We make on the chart. That chart is 0, minus 4, 2, minus 2, 4, 0. We give the values that number, that is P, Q, R. We have denoted that alphabetic numbers. Now A, B, C and P, Q, R we plot on the graph. Now let us, this is the graph, and now we just plot the line, that is x-axis and it is a y-axis. Make the coordinate, that is what, 0 to 5 and upper line 0 to 10. Check the point A, B, C. What is the point A? That is 0, 10. B is 2, 4, 2, 8 and C is 4, 6. Draw the line. Now next, third line PQR point are here. That is again we make a draw line. Now this line intersecting each other, but now here is graph is low. We just expand this graph. That the graph expanding, that equals to what? Just check it. By expansion of these two lines intersecting each other at one point. Which is the point? That is what? 7 and 3. So x equals to 7 and y equals to 3. This is a point of intersection. And this point of intersection is the solution of that equations. That means what? This is the solution of our example. That point of intersection is 7, 3. That the value of x is equals to 7 and value of y is equals to 3. What is value of x? Value of x is the number of girls and value of y is what? Number of boys. Then the number of boys is 3 and the number of girls is 7. So this situation or this number satisfy both the condition. The total numbers are 10 and the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. This is an graphical method to find the pair of linear equation in two variable. Hope so you understood all these topic. Next day we will just study about elimination method and substitution method. Till then,